if sine A minus B is equal to 1 by 2, cos A plus B is equal to 1 by 2, 0 degrees less than A plus B less than or equal to 90 degrees, A greater than B, find the values of A and B. Given sine A minus B is equal to 1 by 2. Sine A minus B is equal to sine 30 degrees. Sine 30 degrees is equal to 1 by 2. A minus B is equal to 30 degrees. Equation 1. Cos A plus B is equal to 1 by 2. Cos A plus B is equal to cos 60 degrees. Cos 60 degrees is equal to 1 by 2. A plus B is equal to 60 degrees. Equation 2. Solve 1 and 2. That is, A plus B is equal to 60 degrees. A minus B is equal to 30 degrees. A plus A is equal to 2A is equal to 60 plus 30, 90 degrees. A is equal to 90 degrees by 2 is equal to 45 degrees. A plus B is equal to 60 degrees. 45 degrees plus B is equal to 60 degrees. B is equal to 60 degrees minus 45 degrees. B is equal to 15 degrees. Therefore, A is equal to 45 degrees. B is equal to 15 degrees. Here, A plus B is equal to 60 degrees. That is less than 90 degrees. A is greater than B.